Today we'll be seeing about mail merge using Excel and the Word. So say you are a teacher or you are an accountant, you wanted to send a report for everyone, generate an individual reports. The mail merge is an easy thing to do. So we go to a sheet where you have certain numbers here, you have names of the students, you have their score in the different subjects, you have their total, and then you have remark by the teacher. So, so you have to paste this in individual sheets. And how do you do that? First, you have to make a format. So, hello parent, your ward. Just leave the gap. Your ward. Leave the gap. Your ward um, has scored the following marks in the exam conducted this week. So you give max, science, social, total, class teacher remarks. Thank you and please acknowledge back to us the same. Or just leave this, please acknowledge back to us the same back to us. Okay, so you have to do this. You cannot keep typing for an individual student, so what you do is in the max, what first you have to save this file. I delete the other sheets. Keep the file simple. Always the first column should be your headers, and don't keep any other data, and from the second column preferably the text that you want to fill in. So this is one easy simple or a recommended rule for that. And close it, and I'm closing it and save it in desktop. Marks temp. Yeah, now you go here to mailing. In the mailing you select the recipients, type new list, use existing list. You go choose existing list and go to the desktop. You select the file and it will ask what sheet to select, and then the first row of data contains headers. If you have a headers, select this, or if you do not have headers, don't select this. So I have a headers in the first row, so I'll selected this and clicked OK. Now you've got results. Now what you have to do is that you have to insert the fields. So what are the fields that has been received? Name, max, science, social, total, remarks. So in here we insert the field called name. So if you see, it comes like this with the two arrow marks, open and closing. Max. In the science you give science, and in the social you have given social. Sorry, where about this social, and in the total you have given total class teacher remarks. You open the brackets, and first appears remarks by class teacher you have given, and I'm just increasing the size. Yeah, you have names, max, science, social from the mailing list. And in the rules you do not need to understand this, you can just skip everything. Don't think this is complicated. You just have to select recipients using an existing link from an Excel, and you can click the edit list, so that if you don't want some students report, you can just untick them, or you can sort them in any order. And once you're done with this, you have only one sheet. Now what you do is, this is a document one. What you do is click preview results. As soon as you click preview results, you can go click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the students' results are automatically here. As if you click again preview results, you see the format. But when you click preview results, it's on, you will see the preview of all these students. Now you can click finish and merge. You can send emails if you are configured with Outlook and you have given already the emails, but now you can just click on print documents or edit individual documents. Okay, so now you have a new page called new word called letters opened. In that you see each page has each student's score. I'll repeat again. What you have to do is from this format you click finish and merge print documents all. Say I'm printing as PDF. Okay, in desktop. See, I have a I have a .prn file here. Yeah, so I have all 8 pages of all the students as a PDF. So that's how you can generate and take the print of the report. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.